G'day ladies and gentlemen. This video is proudly brought to you by FTX. Yeah, the platform I use 9 times out of 10, especially for perp. If you don't know how to go long, if you don't know how to go short, and if you don't have an account and you want 10% off your trading fees, it's all in the description below there, Charlie Brown, so go check it out. Right, we appear to be having somewhat of a wee little rollover. Yeah, alright, so let's talk about Bitcoin, the pullback potential. 10.5 down to 10,000. Yep, it could occur. Beautiful weekly candle. I'm bullish as a bull can be when it comes to this weekly chart, but I've also understand the way markets can get a little bit funky sometimes, you know, a little lower high, a little lower low. I'm more than happy to trade short if I get good shorts. And look at the 12 hour, it shows the trend beautifully well. Lower high, lower low, back in there. Check this out. You could have taken this morning actually. It only triggered a wee while ago. That 8 hour cradle, it's there, it's valid. Maybe you got it, maybe you didn't. I was actually squirreling down on this 15 minute, looking at this little level. Now here's what I've got. Lower high, lower low. Go to the 30 minute. Lower highs, lower low. Go to the 1 hour. Lower highs, lower low. 4 hour. Well, it's a bit of a mess. The 8 hour starts to come good again. That 8 hour lower high, lower low. And as I go higher, it looks more and more bearish. The weekly is where it looks really strong. And like I say, there's plenty of potential for downward momentum. So that's why I've, got my little peepers lasered in, right? Lasered in. And I'm looking for opportunities. Now those opportunities might come through very low time frames. It might be the 15, it might be the 30. Now I like the look of this 30, and if you know what this is, if you've done all the courses, you'll know what I'm looking at here. I'm looking at a little booster. I'm just popping this up there. I'll probably put a video out for all my members in just a moment on this, but I'm keeping a pretty close darn eye on this. I ultimately want to see one of two things really. A little cradle in and off of this little wee level in here. Or I'd actually like to see it fall a little bit further, all right? A little bit further to get the double cluster bang on this 11,448 region. Then I could raise the order for a short. But I'm waiting for a short on Bitcoin, no matter which way you look at it. Binance, not so much. I'm actually still long that from last week. Here we go. Sorry, Atom was next. Here's what I'm looking at on Atom. Right. So look at this daily. It's a cracking uptrend. I want to trade this long when it pulls back into that cradle zone. Ultimately back into these old highs. Why? Well, it's a flat level. And it looks pretty sweet in the 61.8, does it? Bingo! So yeah, I'd love to see it pull back. So it's on the watch list for that reason. But I actually went for a little hunt. A little sneaky, sticky beak through my perp list. And I saw this. We've got a strong support level there. 1, 2, 3 B's dick, very tight. I want to see it build into there. I might get a breakout there. I might get boosters I might get cradles if it breaks down and pulls back in. But it's a little bit, hey, how you doing? I don't like shorting so much in a daily uptrend. But that being said, there's a very valid little opportunity potentially setting itself up there. Here's a little beauty. When we look at Matic. Look, we got the lower highs, we got the lower lows, we got the cyclicity to the downside. Meta. Lower high, we're looking quite nice through there, okay? There's definitely momentum to the downside for the time being. I'm just waiting for little pullbacks, little cradles back into this zone. That's what I'm after, whether it be the 30 or the 1 hour, possibly even the 2 hour as that trend is there with the 4. No, I want to see the 4 extend further. So yeah, opportunities potentially available there as well as Tezos. Now I'm short Tezos. Sorry, I'm long Tezos based off of this 2-day candle. This is the trade that I took very happily and said, look, if I get stopped out, throw your hands in the air and go bugger. Because you know what? It's about taking good trades. And this is a real standout for me. Sometimes you get stopped out. You can't always win. But yeah, I'm watching that level because it's held, right? That's that resistance that I've been talking about for a little while. Check this bad boy, out up here. That same level is now acting as a wee bit of support through here, okay? So I'm just seeing if it builds in. Again, if you know the breakout, you know what to look for. Otherwise, pullbacks in, off after the break for little booster style trades. Sorry, cradle style trades. I keep saying booster. I was watching this morning for a break. It did break. It just didn't quite give me what I was after there, to be honest, guys. I did not short this, again, because the moving averages are in the correct order. We're starting to get a little bit of momentum with that. I want to see it move further, then pullbacks in. And finale is dot. What was I looking at here on dot? Dotty dot 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 dot. That's right. I was sort of suggesting, see this? Beautiful cyclicity. That's a booster. There's a booster, booster. All of those are booster trades. Okay, all of them profitable. Now, that was then, and this is now. If we are going to see this market move higher, I'll be looking for booster trades off of that as well. So, guys, opportunities are out there. I can see Bitcoin falling further. I think it would be really, really good to see it fall further. As in healthy for a bigger picture upward swing. I like the trade when there's real certainty in the market. And we just haven't sort of had that for a little while. Come back to this daily here. Look, it's a bit wonky. Look at the weekly though. It's just beautiful, and it does need a little bit of a blow off to let off some steam. It's had a very good run. So only 11% to where we are, 12 or 13% from the high to where we are. It's not enough in my view. Sure, it could move higher. Absolutely, no doubt. I'd love it to move higher, but I'd love it to move lower as well. And the very fact that I've got opportunities that may just present themselves here, I can have the best of both worlds. I can make money on the way down. I can make money on the way up because I'm a trader. Guys, have a fantastic day. Again, this is brought to you by FTX. 10% off your trading fees in the description below, as well as long and short videos on how to manage your risk. Give us a like, hit subscribe, and go and visit tradercobb.com for your free course. Have a great day. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.